G'day bird nerds, it's first seen and heard for Thursday the 26th of January. Strange how we think about the notion of being discovered. That might be where I leave it for today on the on marking significant occasions. First seen and heard. My first heard this morning was Australian magpie squawking, not singing. Speaking of squawking, first seen this morning the invasive species, the spotted dove. The sparrows are flying by me. Lots of musk lorikeets around here today, that's exciting. I like seeing the muskies. They're cool. Anyway, enjoy your day. Reflect if you're Australian. See you, bird nerds.